This is day 151, stacking up 1 pound of Tannerite every day till we get 1 million followers. Then we're going to be blowing all up at once. So we got 151 pounds stacked up. This is 2 half-pound packs. We got it next to the car. We have the Tannerite tubs right there. We're going to see if I can get it in the Tannerite tub from the car. 151 and a half right here. Oh, well, almost. This will be 151 pounds right here. Oh, no. Day 151, stacking up 1 pound Tannerite every day till we get 1 million followers. So we're going to be blowing it up. Looks like I have to replace that with another half pound. Don't worry, I got you.